Hey guys, Silver Stove here. I wanted to create a quick tutorial regarding the black screen of death issue that I've had twice. The first time it kind of worked itself out and don't know what caused it, but this time I had it all day. You're not, if you know what it is, you probably have it because you're watching this video, is you have a big black box. You're not able to render any solid layers, text layers, shape layers, anything. You're not able to even zoom in, view anything. So what fixed it for me, and also I trashed all my preferences, changed all that, purged my cache, went to file, project settings, changed the Mercury renderer, did all that. It still didn't work for me. So what did it, in my case, was I go to Device Manager, pull that up. We're going to go to Display Adapters. In my case, if you only have one, like just the Intel portion of it, they say not to disable it. You probably have another issue with it, with the After Effects, other than the graphics card. But in my case, it was the graphics card. So what I did was highlight the NVIDIA GeForce, and I disabled it. Make sure After Effects is closed. It could corrupt it. Who knows, but make sure that is closed first of all, and then hit yes on disabling it. I've already done that, but you get the idea on that. Whenever you do that, this arrow right here will change green. You're going to hit enable after you disable it, and then whenever that goes through and refreshes, it might jump a little bit, but close that back out. We're going to pull up After Effects, and that should fix. In my case, I'm able to render again. So hopefully that fixes someone's problem. I was stuck with that all day, didn't know. I talked to Adobe, and he took over the computer, all that, and that was the problem. That's all he did, and it did fix it in this case. So hopefully it can save someone some time. If this did help you out, then please leave a like, leave a comment if you have your own issue regarding the black screen of death, and then hopefully I can help you out. So if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Take care.